Yeah, man. Bass stills in the building, flash the camera. I'ma drop the hammer. Things gonna change the hip hop since they Bobby out the slammer. Hip hop start on the East Coast and then move west down to Alabama. I'll bring it back to New York, roll on bus and throw your hands up. Best in the cup with the deuce in the club with the juice in the pub getting pinned out. Then was live with a dime to provide a head up to my penthouse home. I'm not trying to take it slow. Work your hard, take it low. Open up 24, we robbing for that go. They changing climates and replacing humans and fracking soils while bulldozing forests. But they can't defeat us, they cannot destroy us.
We dreaming the same dream, but money comes the gasoline.
And nicotine for the average team. CMOs are after cream. CMOs extracting genes for every
So what's up? This is the homie has a powder coating shop down the street, and this here is an example of what a stock caliper with some nice paint and some sticker love can do for your brake setup. And it's got some, what, 326 coils on it? Let's see. CD turned all the way up. Yo, I hope smell. Ain't no fire. So we've got some coilovers here. Adjustable here at this perch through weed trees and dead flowers. Couldn't control the power. And then right here you can adjust it from the shock body. Yeah, let's see. So look, it's a dampener with some dope stickers, dope logos. These remind me of like when I used to shop for like skateboard parts when I was a kid, like 7 years old, and I'd look at the trucks and the boards and I'd be like, ah, look at all this cool logos and whatnot. So what I'm doing here is I'm adjusting the ride heights. I'm gonna try to raise it about an inch and then corner balance it. Also, he did all of his own brakes, and now there's air in the system, so I'm going to bleed the master cylinder and all the wheels. So, fresh fluid and new ride heights. Let's see what we can do. Let's see how much this thing weighs. What is this, the SC400 V8 Toyota? Yeah, let's do it. Coming up. Let's see, that's 4 complete turns. Yeah, it's moving. It's moving a little bit. Not enough. I need to set myself to do some more. One more. I love Old Dirty Bastard. The earth tremble. I was in high school when this came out, and it was my first taste of Wu-Tang Clan. Genius. So we had some RZA before the old EB. Because it's banging.
We have only 35 chambers. There is no 36.
I know that. But I want to create a new chamber.
Yeah, baby, I like it raw. So yeah, it was rolling through. I took two Metro buses from West Seattle to Lake City through downtown Seattle, and I had borrowed this CD from a friend at school. He was like, "You need to check this out. Here you go. Like, just put this in your CD player." I had a Discman, and I had a big jacket on during that time, and I just listened to this CD over and over. Return to the 36 Chambers by the RZA, and top 10 albums, I think, of all time in my book. I don't know. What do you think? Now let me tell you about this tape measure that I got in Japan. So yeah, I picked this up when I was in Japan because it has millimeters, which I don't know, are easier to measure when you're doing ride height adjustments. And so I do a before measurement. So 616 millimeters on your right front, right rear, and so on, and then I make adjustments, and then I jot them down here. But I really do love this tape measure. It's got really good actuation. It doesn't have a lock on it, but that, I don't know. It doesn't need a lock. I use manual locking with my man hands. But as you can see, it's clear to read millimeters there. And then come to find out later that these aren't inches. They're like European inches or what is it? I don't know, like a British inch or something. But yeah, well, let me go get a tape measure and I'll show you. So yeah, as you can see, it's longer than an inch. But yeah, I use it for millimeters, and yeah, it works great. It's a nice little one too. It's mini. I don't just have giant hands. It's actually rather portable. So yeah, this is full supersize medium, so this is really small, but yeah, there is a little bit of a look into my collection of tape measures. But check out my ruler here, made in Germany. It's like some ninja shit. Baby, baby. But yeah, check this thing out. Don't really find much uses for it, but check out that font. Isn't that some dope shit right there?
What? Bust your motherfucking ass, boy. Ain't no motherfucking joke. You know who you talk to? Old dirty guy. I'll fuck you up right now. Yeah.
Now regulate, and I'll be out to set up a date. Wu-Tang is banging like a Ron G tape.
Move fast to snack on and chew. My positive energy sound peace to you. A wise man killed one horse and made glue. Wicked women putting period blood and stew.
All the people in America, all the people outside of America, for listening to our music. We gotta keep it fly for you. See, this ain't something new that's just gonna come out of nowhere. Oh, it's dirty and dirty. Yeah.
Let's see where we're at with this heavy beast. How much do you weigh? So we got our preliminary heights dialed in. Now it's just the fine tuning. And damn, we are looking close on the rear wheels. Left front's a little heavy. What's the total? 3540. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Not too bad though. 35? Actually, I was honestly, I was expecting more. I'm a little disappointed. I thought she would be a fatty. And that's not really too bad for a V8 luxury vehicle like this. Let's just show you inside this thing. What kind of condition we're in. It's a little rough around the edges. Holy crap. We can have a look inside the seat here. Yeah, that's the frame of the seat. That's impressive. That's some wow. It's like the Sahara up in here. Oh, and we gotta lube up these links here. Yeah, that doesn't look too healthy. Probably put some grease in there. Yeah, let's see. A little noisy here. But it is a very cool car. But it's been around, that's for sure. All black interior? It's just rough. It's just been somewhere hot or something like that. It's amazing how cars can just wear. But the all black is pretty gangster, other than the condition that it's in. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you have enjoyed your stay. If you survive to the next one, you can join me at the Cohesive Garage. Good luck.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Come on. Can I get the Wu-Tang? Wu-Tang, 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 Wu-Tang is on the brain.